ಹಸಿರು ಸಿರಿಯಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೆರೆಯಲಿ ನವಿಲೆ ನಿನ್ನಾಗೆ ಕುಣಿವೆ ನಿನ್ನಂತೆ ನಲಿವೆ ನವಿಲೆ ನವಿಲೆ ಈ ನೆಲದ ನೆಲೆಯಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸುರಿಯಲಿ ನವಿಲೆ
Today I'm wearing a green capsicum. Capsicum is very good vegetables. It has vitamin C to fight off infection and build the immunity. So everyone needs the capsicum. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jennifer here. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Samita. I'm still in grade 4. Today I am going to speak about cucumber. Cucumber is also a green fruit which is preferred as to healthy. Cucumber is also used to make up pickles. The cucumber, water is present, 95% of water is present inside the cucumber plant.
I would like to share some importance of green. According to psychology, green color evokes the feeling like fresh, vitality and also peace. The color green aids in relaxation. Green is considered to be an important color for studying. It can help with concentration and creativity. According to Indian culture, green represents a new beginning as well as the harvest and happiness. Green is one of the 3 colors used in traffic signals.
Against advanced locates of Britishers, Tipu says, 1 day of life of a lion is equivalent to 100 years of a jackal. So Tipu was such a brave and bitter opposition from India towards Britishers.
Everyone, I am Parinka. I am from grade 6. It's all that she created a Tipu of India, performed some activities to give yourself information about Tipu and importance of green color in our life. We all of them enjoyed it. We thank for our manager for the study and Principal Sister Pushpa for giving us this wonderful opportunity to explore ourselves. Thank you everyone for supporting us. I remind